Dumb phone.
Yeah, like dumb phone.
Dumb phone. Oh.
Yeah, like 1, 2, 3. You click the numbers many times.
Three times. Yeah.
Yeah, 3 times.
That's good. You know, because.
So I can watch YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, play games.
Cause if you get too much dopamine, your brain's gonna get fried, bro. You're gonna be so cooked. you're gonna be cooked, bro.
But I still get my dopamine, and my brain rots from the daily YouTube.
Yeah, be careful, you know.
I never wanted the brain rot, but then it just showed up.
Yeah.
And then, ooh, skibidi. I know the brain rots. See, like from the skibidi, like like I even learned like the vocabulary like skibidi like is evil like what like I don't know what people are why people are making like brain rot and it makes people's brain rot like it works.
Right.
Yeah.
It's in the name, you know. The name explains itself.
Yeah, and people just thought, and people now still brain rot. What is brain rot? Oh, brain rot like is the AI anomaly. They don't know what is real brain rot.
Yeah. I actually played Steal a Brain Rot in America in Roblox. I played that dumb game.
Yeah, you play it on what? PC?
Yeah, on my laptop. Yeah,
oh, laptop.
Yeah, I played, but I wasn't good at it. You know, I just played it for fun. You know.
Yeah.
I played Steal a Brain Rot, Grow a Garden, a couple of these Roblox games. You know.
Yeah. If having Roblox is good, like because if you bored, you can just play random games. Sometimes the games is good, sometimes the games is bad. Yeah, because I without Roblox, like I got banned. I don't know why. I think it's because I was making a t-shirt and it was too controversial.
Controversial.
Yeah.
It's so hard. What t-shirt did you make?
I don't know. Controversial? I don't know. I think it's.
Was it the words or the image?
No. Like I was on Discord with my friend, and then I said, "Hey, do you love your mom?" And then I could change it to 8-year-old girls.
Oh my god.
And then he said, "Yes, of course."
Yeah.
Terus aku foto, I took a picture.
Screenshot. Yeah. In
What
Roblox.
Permanent.
Yeah, Roblox is very sensitive about underage activities because there's lots of pedophiles in Roblox. Be careful, you know.
Yeah, I know,
don't be talking to older guys.
Why is the thing is why Roblox banned Slack? If they could have hired him and get more what is it? More fame.
Okay.
Yeah, because if they want fame and they don't want to be embarrassed, so they ban Swag.
Who is Swag?
That is the.
It's like a YouTuber or something?
Yes, he is a YouTuber capturing a pedophile, like bad people. Yeah, like he go on Discord and find random people.
You know
and
why?
says he is young and a girl.
You know why he got banned?
Yeah.
It's because Roblox doesn't want to be known as a place for pedophiles.
Yeah, but he could just hire him and get more
right. But if Slab keeps on making these videos capturing pedophiles in Roblox, everybody's gonna know that Roblox has so many pedophiles, and Roblox does not want that because if they know that, if people know that, they're gonna maybe like cancel Roblox or the stock's gonna go down and people are not gonna play anymore.
But like the thing is, the Roblox can just hire Slap.
Right.
It's all fine.
Yeah.
And then Roblox will be more safer for kids.
Right. Yeah, of course.
I'm just like confused of this world nowadays.
Yeah, Roblox, they make so much money. They should like hire more people and put money
but
into
they use AI.
Oh, they're using AI.
Yeah.
And AI is not effective, I guess, huh?
Yeah. You say a bad word in Roblox,
Yeah.
and then it's turned into AI. Like you say, like what? Oh, diganti sama AI.